Here's why the Atlas Copco GA VSDS stands for smart and superior connectivity. SMARTLINK. The GA VSDS is more than a box that generates compressed air. It is a true productivity tool, and it comes with a connectivity that makes your production more reliable and efficient, and your work easier. Wherever you are, SMARTLINK connects with the Electronicon controller, allowing you to monitor, in real time, the compressor's operational parameters on your computer or mobile device. In addition, SMARTLINK provides you with performance data and insights to explore optimization options. But SMARTLINK is also peace of mind, sending you notifications when your compressor needs your attention. Smart connectivity, superior productivity. Taking VSD technology to the S level requires cutting-edge engineering, and that is exactly what the GA VSDS delivers with SMARTLINK. To find out more about the new GA VSDS, visit atlascopco.com.